Hi, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today we're going to make a beta-carotene eye serum. Beta-carotene is a precursor to provitamin A, which we're also adding to this serum. It's a great antioxidant and really good for the eye area. So we chose complementary ingredients to go with it for the eye area, and let's just get started. Okay, so we have some great ingredients to work with. We chose ingredients that are complementary to the eye area and also complementary that enhance the effects of the beta-carotene. So let's start with Camellia Seed Oil. It's a wonderful carrier oil. It's the main part of our formula, and it's going to carry all of our other active ingredients. So let's just get started. So we're going to start with carrot seed oil, another great oil for the eye area, and again, high in vitamin A and beta-carotene. Actually, if you smell the beta-carotene, it smells a little bit like carrot. Okay. All right, so we got all of that in there, and then we're going to add the beta-carotene. And again, we use oil-soluble beta-carotene, which you can, of course, get from our website. But it's just a little easier to work with because the beta-carotene has already been dissolved in castor oil. So we're going to just put that right in there. And then we're going to add our provitamin A. And we're using fairly small percentages, but the nice thing about these ingredients is that they're effective in fairly small percentages. And they work well with the Camellia seed oil. And then finally, we're adding vitamin E to help prevent rancidity in our oil, just to extend the shelf life and make sure that it lasts for a while. Because this project does not contain any water, we are not adding a preservative. We're just adding the vitamin E to help with rancidity. You could add a preservative if you feel safer doing that. I kind of prefer not to with anhydrous projects, especially ones that I know are going to go in packaging that the customers won't be putting their fingers into the project. So it's really simple. All you do is just mix all of those ingredients together, and you get this lovely color. So you may have noticed that the Camellia seed oil is pretty clear. It doesn't really have much color to it, but when you add the beta-carotene and the vitamin A, you get this lovely kind of bright yellow oil blend. Okay, and it's that simple. Now that it's all blended together, we can pour it into packaging. I personally like these airless pumps. Sometimes it takes a little finesse to know how to pour into this packaging, but with practice, you learn how to do it just perfect. My luck, I'll overflow it now that I said that. No. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's such a beautiful oil. So the fragrance, just ever so slightly of carrot, just barely. So I'm actually going to take this home and use this oil blend tonight for my eye area. As I age, I want a little bit more nourishment for my eyes, and this is exactly what I'm looking for. So the nice thing about the Camellia seed oil with the ingredients that we chose, the beta-carotene and the vitamin A, is that Camellia seed oil is especially moisturizing to the eye area. It's a really wonderful oil to carry these ingredients that tend to be a little drying to the skin. So we're counteracting the drying effects of the vitamin A with the nourishing effects of the Camellia seed oil. So anyways, I hope you really enjoy this formulation, and we hope to see you next time. Be sure to tune in to our channel for all the great videos and subscribe, and thanks for joining us.